What's up? Donnie here, the creator of the Relevant Recruiter method that's absolutely been revolutionizing recruitment businesses across the United States. What I do is I help recruitment companies implement the Relevant Recruiter method so that they have a steady stream of clients so that they can dominate their market, scale their business without having to cold call or chase clients down. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the basics of a marketing funnel. So come join me right here. So what is a funnel? A marketing funnel, in short, is basically a series of steps that we want our customer to take prior to making a purchase or taking that ultimate action of booking a call. Simple as that. Where most businesses fail with their online marketing is they start here. They start at the bottom of the funnel. They just go straight to action. They think that they can create this magical ad that is going to get somebody to take action with them. Fail, okay? What we want to do is we want to view this relationship just like any. It takes time to build a relationship. So one of the easiest things to do is start with a free piece of value, what we call a lead magnet. And that starts our relationship, okay? And so what we do is we take this entire big audience and we drive the traffic, that huge audience, to this lead magnet. And then now we've created this smaller audience, right? Now we've created this pond that we can become the biggest fish in. And that's key when you want to grow your business and doing it in a profitable and affordable way, okay? So now that they've downloaded this lead magnet, we've now started this relationship. What do we do next? Well, we now start producing more content that's going to support what we wrote in that lead magnet, support our positioning in the market. And we also want to prove to our market that we are what we say we are through client testimonials, right? And so they come in through the top of our funnel here with our big audience. We now have our small pond, and now our small pond is seeing different messaging based off of where they may be in their specific buying process. And we want to have messages for all different customer types because people are always in a different buying process no matter what your business. There's always a certain part of the market that's ready to buy and buy right now, but there's also a lot of people that are doing the research, especially now in today's information age. So I know that you're the expert in your business. I know you know what you're talking about, but the problem is you really just don't know how to get that message out to the marketplace because you're an expert at, say, real estate or mortgage, or you're an attorney. Your job's not to know how to do lead generation and digital marketing, right? And so that's why I want to show you this funnel. Lead magnet, content. Now, let's get somebody to take some action here, right? And that's when we finally start to offer that free consultation to come into our showroom, to come into our retail location, to book a call with us. Whatever the ultimate action you want to take, we don't put that in front of them until they've consumed some of our content. This is what keeps our costs low. This is what keeps your business filled with a loaded pipeline of potential clients and customers. And when you do this whole thing, funnels are automated. So once you set it up, it's working for you. It's probably the most efficient thing you can do for your business in 2019. So join me in learning and talking about funnels. Let me know what you think about marketing funnels. Let me know if you have any experience. Let me know what questions you have specifically about it. I'd love to help you out. This is Donnie Gupton.
Yonder.